Good morning, students. Welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today we are continuing the chapter The Fish Tale. Today we will discuss about some numbers. First of all, odd number. What is odd number? The number which is not divisible by 2 is called odd number, like 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. If you divide these numbers by 2, you will get remainder 1 in each case. That is, these numbers are not divisible by 2. So these are odd numbers. Everyone write all the definitions in your copy. Next, even number. The number which is divisible by 2 is called even number, like 4, 6, 10, 16, 20, etc. These numbers are completely divisible by 2. So these are even numbers. So the numbers which is not divisible by 2 is called odd number, and the number which is divisible by 2 is called even number. Now, the very important prime number. What is prime number? The number which is divisible by 1 and itself only is called prime numbers, like 3, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. In each of these number, you can see 3 is divided by 1 and 3 only. 7 is divided by 1 and 7 only, and by no other number. 11 is also, it is only divisible by 1 and 11 only. That is, the number which is divisible by 1 and itself only is called prime number. So what is composite number? Composite number is the opposite of prime number. That is, the number which is divisible by 1 itself and by other numbers is called composite number. So except if prime numbers, all are composite number. 10, 16, 20, 72, etc. 10 is divided by 1, 10 is divided by 2, 10 is divided by 5, 10 is divided by 10. That is, except 1 and 10, 10 is also divisible by 2 and 5. So there are many other 10 is divided by so many numbers. So 10 is a composite number. So the number which is divisible by 1 itself and by other numbers is called composite number. Now next, so here each and every one must write all the definitions clearly in your copy. That is, here odd number, even number, prime number, composite number. Now next is the international number system. In my last class, I was discussed about India number system. Today, I will discuss about international number system. So international place value chart. Just look at the chart, you can see the difference. Here, first ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then 100,000, then million, then 10 million, then 100 million. Now you can see the group. This 1, tens, 100. This is ones group. 1000, 10,000, 100,000 is the thousand group. Million, 10 million, 100 million is the million group. So this is the international place value chart. Here some notations are there. Ones O, tens T, 100 H, 1000 TH, 10,000 TTH, 100,000 HTH, million M, 10 million TM, 100 million HM. So 100,000, that is 100,000. 1 million means 100,000. That is 1 million. In Indian number system, it is 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs means 1 million. 100 lakhs means 10 million. So, and this is the 100 million. So, using this international number system chart, you have to find out the number name. So, suppose here I have taken some example. You can see in the first one, write the number name in international number system. So you can see number A, the number is 243007. Now, if you use the international place value chart, it is ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So total 243,000. So 243,007. B, 95463786. So according to the international number chart, this is 95 million. If you make the group, this is one group, this is another group, this is another. So 95 million 463,786. Next, number C, 122334567. So this is 122,334,567. So according to the international number system, you have to write the number names in this way. Next, the opposite. Write in numeral. Here, number name has given. You have to write in the numeral form. Number A, 70 millions 307. 70 million. So 70 million, that is in 10 million it will be 7. In million it is 0. So 70 million 307. So in 100 it is 3 and ones it is 7. All other are 0. So what is the number? The number is 700,000,307. Next, number B, 9,150,000 115,203. 115,203. So 9 million. So in million it will be 9. 115,000. That is 115,000 total. 203. That is 203. So what will be the number? The number is 9115203. 9115203. So in this way, now you can use the comma here, 3, 2, 2. So in this way, you have to write the number. So in this discussion, everyone must write all the definitions what I have told, that is odd number, even number, prime number, composite number. And everyone just think of the number. What is odd number? What is even number? What is prime number? What is composite number? And also international place value chart. So now this is your homework in about today's discussion. At first everyone listen carefully and follow the videos, then write the homework. Do this homework. Number 1, which is the smallest odd number? Number 2, is 1 a prime number? Number 3, which is the smallest even prime number? Number 4, write all the prime numbers between 10 and 30. Number 5, write number names in international number system. Here 3 numbers are given, A, B, C. And number 6, write in numeral. Number A, 5,000,009. Number B, 64,072,305. C, 140,313. So everyone do this homework in your school copy.